Pakistan and Afghanistan, and sources close to the Vice President of former Afghanistan. The former Vice President of Afghanistan is now telling us that there seems to be an ISI mole inside Afghanistan ATC. Airports are trying to gather all sort of information, including air parts and manifests, and reporting back to Pakistan, where Pakistan is trying to snoop on Afghanistan using its airspace, using its air traffic control. Akanksha joining us, getting us more details. Akanksha, what more can you tell us? What have you gathered from your sources?
Poonam, what sources close to the former Afghan Vice President Amrullah Saleh have told our securities editor, Mr. Manoj Gupta's information that a man named Saadat Mohammed, who's serving as an ISI officer, has also been tasked with gathering intelligence in the Afghan aviation system, is working and gathering information for ISI. He oversees an extensive network of informants and collaborators within airports. They also want the charge to be given to them of one of the airports, which did not really happen, but then they ensured that they actually send their officers over to one of the airports in Afghanistan. Now, it does not end here. We all know that, Pakistan has much to gain out of this. Once you have control over ATC and airport movements and flight manifests, you can actually manage a lot, from hijacking to even missile attacks. Everything is an easy job, which the Taliban so far has been ignoring. And it's not just sharing of information which is dangerous. Also, point of view, earlier also, sharing information again through sources close to Amrullah Saleh, who revealed that ISI moles have also been penetrating as far as the Afghan Telecommunication Regulatory Authority is concerned. So this is how ISI has been operating now on Afghan soil through its overt and covert cadres. Poonam.